i2C new launched KC03 battery repair device. Let's explain the functions of this product. Here's the product package front and back. Let's unpack it. You will see the KC03 battery repair device with 2 pieces data cables. The channel A on the right row support Apple iPhone 6 to 15 Pro Max modified data and right button layer data. For the 6 to XS Max support to right button layer data directly after changing the battery BMS. For iPhone 11 to 15 Pro Max, need to use the battery repair flex cable to modify the data, or connect the KC02 to the P3 board to modify the data, or 11 to 15 Pro Max battery to run cycles. Channel B supports 11 to 15 PM run cycles. It supports channel A and B, 2 batteries run cycle at the same time. The Android channel on the left row for Android battery charge and activation. Connect the charger to the KC03 device input A. Now press OK key around 5 seconds to change the language. Connect the Huawei P40 battery on the Android channel connector according to the model. It displays the charging status and the current voltage. Let's show the Apple XS battery operation. Connect the XS battery to the channel A according to the model. Device enter data modifier mode. Press OK to the data modifier again. We'll see the battery information. Press the left switch key 2 seconds to enter battery efficient function page. Press switch key to adjust the value to what you want. Then click OK, enter the times to modify the times value to your order. Click OK to write in the setup data. After write succeed, we'll display the battery setup information. Now press OK key to return. Enter STD cap. Choose the model XS to write the standard capacity. Important reminder: during writing, write standard capacity just like flashing the battery protection board. The battery and the device cannot be disconnected or loose, or the battery will damage. After finish write, we'll display the battery information as same as previous setting. It means write succeed. Now press the OK key to return. Device enter big cap, the bigger capacity page. Choose the XS model and similar capacity to write. Here we don't do more operation demonstration. Model iPhone 11 or above need using battery repair flex cable to modify the data. Let's show the iPhone 11 Pro and the 30 mini operation demonstration. Connect the 30 mini battery to the channel B, 11 Pro to the channel A according to the model. Device enters the CHA cycle and the CHB cycle to set up the battery efficient. Default value is 110%. Then click OK and connect the charger to input A and input B to start run cycles. During running cycles, the display will show the channel A and B information. status alternately. After the run cycle is complete, the device will stop automatically. The fan will work automatically according to the current temp. KC03 support run cycles for 2 batteries at the same time. It also supports connect to computer operate and upgrade with a data cable. The battery current value according to the charger and battery power. It also supports connect KC02 to the PC report to modify the battery data.